Hello, children. Welcome back to our English Mulberry class. I welcome all the students of class 1 to this class. Today we are going to study chapter 8, A Big Parcel. Chapter 8, A Big Parcel. When is your birthday? Find out if there are others in your class who share your birth month or date. Children, we are going to read this chapter in which a girl named Seema is celebrating her birthday. So, this is your activity. You have to find out which of your classmates share your birth month or birth date. Let us read and find out what is in the parcel that Seema gets on her birthday. This is the living room of Seema's house. You can see a picture in which you can see the picture of a living room of Seema's house. It is her birthday today. Father is blowing up balloons. Mother is hanging ribbons on the wall. Seema's aunt is reading the newspaper. There is a cake on the table. Her friends Ali and Neelam have also come to celebrate her birthday. Children, let us have a look on the picture. You can see Seema's father is sitting on the sofa and he is blowing up the balloons. Seema's mother is hanging the ribbons. And Seema's aunt is reading the newspaper. You can also see a cake on the table. Seema's friend Ali and Neelam have also come to celebrate her birthday. Ding dong, the doorbell rings. Seema opens the door. It is a postman. The postman says, "Hello." He hands her 3 letters and a big parcel. Seema gives the letters to her father. The doorbell rings, ding dong. Seema rushes to the door and opens it. Who rings the doorbell? The postman rings the doorbell. The postman says hello and he hands 3 letters and a big parcel to Seema. Seema gives the letters to her father and keeps the parcel with her. She looks at the big parcel. She is surprised to see her name on it. She wonders who sent it. Seema looks at the big parcel and she is quite surprised to see her name on the parcel. Then she wonders who sent it. Seema is surprised to see the parcel and her name written on the parcel. She opens the parcel. It contains a beautiful blanket. It is made of colorful patches of cloth. It has pretty patterns on it. It is soft and cozy. It has her name stitched on it. Seema opens the parcel. What does she find inside the parcel? The parcel contains a beautiful blanket. The blanket is made of colorful patches of cloth. What do you mean by patches? The meaning of patches is small pieces of cloth. So the blanket was made of small colorful patches of cloth. It has pretty patterns on it. What do you mean by patterns? Patterns means different shapes and colors. The blanket is made of different shapes and colors. The patches are of different shapes and colors. It is soft and cozy. The blanket is soft and cozy. What do you mean by cozy? Cozy means comfortable, warm. It has her name stitched on it. Seema's name was stitched on the blanket. She finds a letter inside the blanket. She opens it. Seema finds a letter inside the blanket and she opens it. It is from her grandmother. It says, "Happy birthday. I made this for you. Do you like it?" When Seema opens the letter, she comes to know that the letter and the gift inside the parcel is from her grandmother. Seema's grandmother has gifted her the parcel and the gift, and she has written a letter which says, "Happy birthday. I made this for you. Do you like it?" Seema's grandmother wishes Seema happy birthday and tells her that she has made this blanket for Seema, and she asks Seema that did she like it? "Yes," whispers Seema. She loves this birthday present. Seema speaks very softly to herself. Yes, because she liked the blanket very much and she loves this birthday present. Your homework is read the chapter.